Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Peppy Hammer. I will share all their detail. Peppy Hammer listing is confirmed on October 17, 2025. So Peppy Hammer listing date confirmed on October 17. Price prediction is $2. 1000 ETH auction event by now. So I will share all their details. They have 200% bonus is over. New event is 1000 ETH auction start soon. So I will share all that detail. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this Peppy Hammer. You can see it here. So Peppy Hammer listing confirmed on October 17. The listing date is locked and the predictions are flying. Some expect dollar Peppy Ham to hit $2 at launch. Official date now live on the website. You can see it here, and they have Peppy Hammer L2 blockchain deep in the dankest corner of you can see the internet where the memes ruled. A super meme Peppy Hammer has found the chain reaction, a layer 2 blockchain design. You can see they have the zero fees atomic hemisphere, and you can see automatically farm yields under all the market conditions. They have gem fusion helps dollar Peppy Ham holders find hidden gems with one touch. You can see it here. Just 11 days are left until upcoming listing news. You can see USDT raise is given how much they are raised. You can even buy it with a ETH or a ARB or BSC. You can see it here. Their details is given. You can see it here. Even in the conservative case, I see dollar Peppy Ham reaching 0.4 to $0.5 in the worst case, 0.04 to $0.05. But with the current pre-sale price still fixed at 0.015, the upside is 3 to 4x easy if you are ready and if you are early in it. So you can connect it with your wallet. The connection is so easy. You just have to connect and you have to select the MetaMask wallet, connect anyone you are using. You can see token audit is given it a solid proof. Now I am become L2, the destroyer of gas fees. You can see. You can furthermore see the top exchange listing secured. So it will go for the Max Global, and you can see LBank, HTX, and the Bitmart, XT.com, CoinStore, Uniswap, etc. You can see it here. Peppy Hammer is rolling out their AI powered tool like Gem Fusion, Hemify, and Mysterious AI app that go to the community building. You can see it here. It is trusted by Binance, and about Peppy Hammer aimed the chog of gas wars, clogged networks, and rug pull dreams. So 1000 ETH auction, even new buyers and early holders can join 10-week contest with a 1000 ETH prize pool, massive rewards, weekly winners. You can see it here. The blockchain ecosystem is given its DEX, bridge, rules up, staking, and atomic hemisphere. So you can see it here. The listing date is on October 17. Furthermore, you can see it here the details which is shown. So you can see it here the details, the Peppy Hammer, their bridge, they're listing a token. You can see launching a token, believing in the atomic you can see frog father, zero fees, no listing cost, fueling liquidity, top security, nuclear grade, cross-chain bridge. You can see legitimacy, scammers get vaporized, only trusted token survive. So fair and honest listing. So you can see it here. Its listing date is October 17. Show on the second announcement of you can see DEX and CEX exchange discussion and ongoing. Now you update will be revealed in the upcoming week. So must go and see it though, so that you can see their new update. You can even apply it here and after clicking on it. So furthermore, you can see the market overview. The project is AI Recomplex minus 28% and Sour Mode 22% change from Jan 17. You can see it here. The details is given. You can go further. Atomic AI and you can read that the AI you can see rebalancing dime effect and dollar fam as bonus. You can see it here. Furthermore, they have the gem fusion. You can even go and buy now. I will just see it here, and you can further see their details and listing updates, and you can see the other details why people say about that. You can see the tweeters. I will share that videos too. You can see the KOLs details about it too, how to buy. You have to create and fuel the wallet, choose the amount, buy and stake, and Peppy Hammer tokenomics is given. Their pre-sale is 40%, marketing is 10%, liquidity is 12%. staking is given, which is 33%, and the inventory is 5%. Their roadmap is given. You can see that they are going up, and be a part of that, and you can see more FAQs given also. Now I want to share with you about the information found about their 1000 ETH auction. So it is given on that Twitter. You can see what is ETH auction, how to participate. After the successful 200% bonus offer, the next event in their buyer is here. You can see how it works. Each week will rank participate based on how many successful referrals they make. The more you make the referral, the more you will be able to be ranked in the participant. Duration is 10 weeks. Weekly prize pool is 100 ETH distributed to the top 10 referrals. So more you get the referrals, the more you will be able in the top, and the more you will be able to get 100 ETH. The more investor you bring in, the bigger your reward. All reward will be claimed directly on the official website. The important thing is that referral count reset every week, meaning every week has a fair shot to win no matter when they join. So you can see officially started will be announced soon, and it is the good auction of the ETH that they will clear the details after every week. So furthermore, the other details is given here about that pre-sale finishing phase, and the ETH auction listing confirmed for October 17. They are officially heading to the big stage on October 17, and you can see it here. They can go for $2, but you can need the mid-range target is 0.4 to $0.5, and in the bearish scenario it will be 0.04 to 0.05. You can see that you can even compare it with the other community FOMO that a Peppy Hammer will raise $1M more after the listing announcement local of $18M. You can see as pre-sale is wrapping up fast, preparing brand exclusive event 1000 ETH auction. You can see, stay tuned for further. You can see the details, and even though you can join them on their Twitter, you can see their details. Their news will be shown here, so must go and join that. Their pre-sale is finishing, listing confirmed on October 17. So you can also join them on the Telegram for, and you can go and join their channel here so that you can get more news, and you can even go and join them on the Telegram too. I share all their details. So if you like my video, gives up thumbs up, and you can see the game fashion and atomic chemifier and their mysterious AI application here. You can see further. I want that you two fam holders can use this bot, so buy $fam now before it's too late. So you can see the details about that. I share all the details, so do your own research before investing in it, and go and check it. Their pre-sale is ending soon, just 11 days are left, so be a part of it. Thank you so much for watching.